Right, and that's we have about to say, also, someone boy a bit, and that's in busy, and Taka the Butumine home, Marbin Abdullah Wire, Casamfay, do wire the Mibri. Now, so in the Yamina Dum, Maba Cansa, Mabatina, I am much Rabba, Nijmizudu, Mitchell Susan. It's an intellectual crack, into in there. I know about to go, maybe the chairman if you to me are bon como. There, upon the Sam was a hard check, not for to be 8 minutes ago. But some days I say in there, but some of that ought to do or you do a BM 12 February 2026. But about that's papa that one mad the cheaper to my chain. Name mom at the same time saying, but I must be no can ask him at the Subasana Achin beam near the Uncle Panas papa. Shannon so today. But some day to me, yes, me, ya at the phone huneda papa. Now so if it's a young hunde in Panana at Donwan Quim, and there. Because we was faker. It's the true love or the fake love. They are surely to me sent from there. The Menzamenzami or to me trash to Mukuhin, why Yankton Huzum, why me and Queen, why them, or your bun, or the how to me back, and can't you are at the 400 da. Memenda, yes, 14th, verse day. Now, verse day now says the ultimate abadoso. Name in there, Yerushe, or Dokai. Na bibaka chada odobona na odofake nti yenisa kan oye opina oye facility head onia Michael Tegu na so debia me yesha me yotumeje on say he the same man today and tomorrow if so boa onwezu nkoma o kind of playing do maba send yesha da mebria wa abre akakete na so ni hina aka Democracy boy, and also in Ambomi, the trouble new day, but to me. Okay, good evening.
Good evening.
I promise you.
Yaminado, maybe a day.
Yo, the mission said I to suffer about cancer. Mark, young shade answer no, you say your car or your order cane or door yanu querum. Now your car or door sabi on yanu querum. The true love and the fake love. So the maze being it's a boomer.
Yo, me da say. I me de pa say yafa topic and I say in some way I be kan wasem. The entire topic way ehun hia papa ne de. Ye wo ebi mu wo ho a omo abrabo omo suban niema omo ye to omo no omo chodo. But ukomu ye na ubisa nsema ubohu de ade na nipa no o feel de eyo odo a ono o kire no enyo odo bibi fufuro na eba ne sa very difficult is in papa de ebe ka kire nipa no de dia wo ye no enye odo bibi fufuro menim say ebe go into details. But me mpede nyina ye hu die ntia very important ye nyina betie ebia enye wo na wo sa tibie ni mo ebia nyonko ebia relative bi ana ebia wankasa na ebie weni efa sa na ema we hu na we hu anamo na ehia de wankasa obeto.
Mark, sir, you share and I'm able to me buta. Or Donangasa Ninchimo, nor the council Chimo. Ibutu is a being here, boom, near to me at them there. Fake love and true love, they are the same. So if they are not, fake love is only able to make a fake love. You
very simple. Say, oh, che obi odopa. A che de, and dear na. Anase nkita unza awudi ni ye no emfa ohaw bia embre nipa no emfa ohaw bia embre nipa no ba o kase udo obi na at the end of the day no nipa no okọ ohaw bi mu ana o prano o kwan bi so niema enkoyie e wona brabo mu saa niema no eche de odona osi owo ema nipa no enye odopa nti se o pese wo measure ana epede hu a simple way relationship and I say nkitahoze a wo ema nipa na ma me clear this thing odo a ye ka no enye for only ebia boyfriend girlfriend nkotin ebetumi aye wo maame
okay
ebetumi aye wo papa ebetumi aye wadamfo ebetumi aye wo boss ewo djumam ebetumi aye anybody at all inti ye ka odo a ene de enye limited to just lovers and I say boyfriend girlfriend and I say husband and wife nkotin
so yesha oya aka wo maame another papa another my boyfriend another my girlfriend yena maame na wotumo wen nti yensha so a parent abakwa na betumi afa da mature do wotumo da ma of de bia mama ni ska de bia mama ni ziban another abodo na mutuma
okay me da say unfortunately awofo be brave feel there almost responsibility there obewo akola abawiase de hia ne de sika de obehye bebi obeda nti awofo bebre eye saa nyema we ema omoba to omo no sometimes omo bisa nkola ne say meye we ma o meye we ma o de biom e na wo pe to omo no we wa ye bibia so onye but de hia pa eyo odo se woman obasika woman baby a obeda atade obehye na odo entai chia ene dia wo ye ne nyina enkosi baby a wankasa obe hope se ebesi inti for instance ye wo ebimo wo ho a awof ni mami anase ni papa enka nche na da se me ba me do I love you until that ye kasei se ebia o hwe o ya wofo na o hwe program we frɛ wo ba wo phone so se wo ben na hwe na naka chende me ba me do obo se akwala na be hwe wo mami na anase wo papa no obehwe de de bibi nko yi ana ebeya ni strange because until that but say ade a otai a oka e normal wo inti okọ abonten na okohia be ma bi na be ma na kache ni say wo ye fe I love you me do me dakra me to me nda sa words na ebe you so amano no until that obia nka those kind of words encheneda inti ema nipa no ohun de oka sa nsem no ohun no ewo kwan sonko bi so special way inti obo hu se me yeso se awofo 80 obo hu se oba no ebia wakwa share relationship mu wakasa sa onfe o dia boy ne beka no eno ena odi ejuma wa wo no oka ontie o odwi ho kra ho ntie ase because of that special bond and our relationship and I say to ono no odosro nko a boy no eya kire no nti obetie na asem obetie de obeka kire no no nso waye nti awofo is about time wo akola enye iziba nkotin enye sika nkotin enye de obehye nkotin kire no odosro nko because already no owo akola oko school oko ejuma oko outside even the same community crampo the society is very harsh chede niema bebre a beko etia no into obefia eho na wo awofo no maami anase papa no wo na ese wo nche no odosonku so that obefia nani beji nkola bebre wo ho a omodru fear they are not happy neni just any spirit any fear because neni nka fie opedo mpie nti eba na sa wo awofo no wo so kan obi na wo pia wo ba to outside to niema ense so onkoye no okoye because neni nji e wo fie
Mr. Market, can we quantify or it will get to the more being able to make it values no muso or you do? My friend, the major you are my father. In terms of showing you the love, how could you see the mode or your the kind mutumitre and then the aja nature the modena, a genobisi to more value or your donor or your a bar another day tomorrow?
You can't odor. To me, a simple definition for odor. Kwanya wo befa so achi odor. A bit different from kwanya mean so befa achi odor. Inti nkofo bebre wo ho a obon say your friend be misunderstanding because in nipa ne na worry anymore. Obeka say me che me yiri odor. Ana me che me kunu odor. De bia obeka say me che but ni kunu ana say ni yiri beka say we onye hwe. Because to wono se na wo ni modor no sa na wo so o che ana say o display.
Yeah.
But e bia nipa na wo che ne sa odor no enye sa odor e na ono so o hwe. Into the most important thing communication. Mo be bon komo bisa nipa no se wo cho bi odo a che se ebe ma na eniji inti bisa no de na me yema wa weni bechi nima suban ben anase nima ben na me ya weni nji na me njai inti mo boss han komo we a eno be che ye wo bi fe no love language.
Okay.
Because obia wo ni love language into bisa ni pana and obeche ni love language into yes ane mana ene obehu say nipa no de bia de niaji na won so wa che no wo love language no so wa yama wo but we bisa na obehu say oni na me chen to no oni na main road but kwan a wa fa so ne de enye into communication very important na mo ankasa mo atem ho ase sena odono ye expressing.
Somebody also say, as the mentioned, communication is very, very important. Abachurodo. Material things is also part of showing love to whether your parents or each other.
Yes, sena me kind no odono I to say freestyle. Obi wo ho a na wo fo wo bi.
Yeah.
Bia ehia no ofa phone no bisa bi mu kra on fa phone. A teenager ya be account amano or bank account. Ye disika tum. Or pe bibia or betumi akoyi. Sisi anso mobile o kra phone na obetumi access sika. Inti eno nye ne problem.
Yeah.
Inti wo okohia obi sa na obe feel say oh me to we ma na ne beji me to we eno nye ne love language. Inti enyo bia ena obetumi use sika. Enyo bia na obetumi use gift. Say neni beji debi ebi asa nipa no na wo fo wo bi nti e ho side de ehun hia no de hia no obi a te say obetumi di na bonkomo na o say most often so sikafo no omo so omo ni time.
Yeah.
Nti ya mouse sika ya bank account bibi ehia o ye de ba mawo but wa wo for me omo ye busy. Sometimes omo took kwan outside the country. Inti wo onyo bia obenwa odi ne bebo nkomo inti wo relationship one na say wadanfo bia enye sika na wo hwehwe upo bia se bibi hawa obetumi edi na bossa nkomo no ebia odi nipa ne be sere and sad de na wo hwehwe a eno ene be kire se nipa no odo ba enye sika enti na make say communication ohia na wo hu de hia nipa no na oyemana neni beji.
Can some people be pretenders as if they are showing care, as if they are showing love, but in terms of the heart of you are receiving it, they are pretenders all over. Can you value them?
Any day ewo ho bebre. Mami mao example, real life situation. Lady B or Nkoko, me share that, but through WhatsApp, me war group war WhatsApp group and or join here. And after some months, we see you admitting war hospital. And I maybe sad and said, Dane, like we are real see there be. But later be catch me. Until later all narrate a seminar. Just any situation cry a worse, I will a stroke. And I'm talking about a young girl. Unya stroke unto me nanti. And what chair me say, no ni boyfriend. Omuye juma ewo the same company.
Okay.
Na guy no de bia oba ni ho ewo ni fie. Wa rent dan nti guy ni ba no ho. Omo ye bibia as like couples.
Yeah.
And dakro ni boss, girl ni boss, a friend say there's a wedding. Company no so.
Yeah.
But one of the workers yeah ni wedding. Na boss na nkasa waye like tight unto me nko. Inti oma lady no akojina ho ama boss no. Inti this Friday no guy no ba ho omo bonkomo omo die omo ye bibia and o catch and say oh say oko gina wa my boss no for wedding be and o call wedding no or drew wedding hono oma ni boyfriend no worry
Serious.
Ni boyfriend na order ni nchen Friday no or worry Saturday. Or worry obi fufro Saturday no. O si oti ho ontumi chese bibi atone so onim what to do. Afedi ontumi njina ena oma obi eso no epie ofa dropping ena okofie. Adwindwin saa no in the middle of the night she fell off the bed and off Ruby and a man so called hospital and when you stroke. But thank God through therapy or recovery into a yampa in crofobet to me a pretending in crofobet to me a pretending obebe to me a pretending so do obe worry wo but enyo do and o ma o e bia wo property bibia an opportunity binti and o worry wo enyo do into o worry wo ye a ho and an suban nankasa be ye pie eno ntina make de entie words dear obi abetumi akabi I love you, you are my darling, my sweetheart, my this, my obi abetumi akabi because oka enye prepaid ungu tia wo bebia free instead of focusing on words dia nipa ne eka no hwe ni suban hwe dia oye because the words must be backed by action. Inti enye se o ka keke because obi wo ho a ni partner ka che ni se odon but obu no inti odon no way o se odo but on respect o ombu inti odon no way inti hwe nipa no ni suban se na or they will relate and no and a be speaking volume as they say action speaks louder than words. Inti menti if you focus on just the words and you grofobet to me I take advantage of you all the time.
Eno imbiri mohoni anka no happen to bamaza show your Costa TV. Okay, sen fin photo na and was the true love versus fake love. Whether it's true or not true. Yen open market take from PPAG and not to know my entity no. Agree that so na address our control. The market honey say you discern the true love and the fake love in terms of the youth, in terms of the normality. Because ya can't offer one of the pa. Jimbra youngest in them. Yanem bebuno. May she lady. Oh, Nana, I love you. You are upper of Barbara Yake. She's also received. But Moshana, I couldn't mark Kadama Penino. She doesn't show anything. All what she needs is money. As a choose woman. Would this kill the heart of all to not help you nearly to Madabra in terms of relationship we have?
Yeah, but to me, because say obido, not because of nipano, but a dear or ebia o sika, ebia dying or ebia o property, ebimukra because of uka, and nunti no down, because we bread tax in it or ni pragia. Well, inti saa nipa we eche de eda ebia we juma be say anase wo sika sem enko yie no odo no ebe yira because it's conditional. But udo bi na udo nipa no ankasa no se o sika still udo no oni sika still udo no because udo nipa no enye dia the property and material things. Inti say ena a problem we want to me be me mesiafo ngotin me info so kan because say okosi obi pe na wo use material sika wo use material things e dey don e dey snipper won so dey na wo adwen be na wo dey share nitrim inti eno no obehwe so e dey adon. So one, don't pretend, be yourself. Obi wawa oni sika, but obe to me ako borrow sika ewo bank and I say na danfo bi ho no the year show this obi. What started because o person proposing manity de bia mo nenam restaurant ho na mo didi. Meanwhile normal life o call abra market honum and o didi wo. Me nka say e boni o but that is you. Inti se odo bia manipa no ho the true you aha na medidi yanko ho se odo wa obedi wechi but o fake life say oh me didi wo restaurant meanwhile o pay o salary enduro ba o mia we ni because o pese on agree afi de wa agree afi na obesa say monko abra obeka say debi monko bebi a monko no afi de wo sika no entumi nko hobio odo na e wo ho no ebe yira ebeko inti be yourself, don't pretend. Afi so don't force yourself to change. Men's sound so buying for a partner just for the sake of it. Min can say ebia o ye bibia enye and our partner kasa men's sound debi. But the me partner ni say ebia o kwa sorry. O partner on kwa sorry.
Yeah.
Na de bia ni buefu say o pese o mba wo nchen na wo kwa sorry. Eno nti wo be jai asori no because o pese o ma o partner ne nji. E bia o pe adesua. But o partner no on penisa. Na we jai adesua no na we di nechi mo ko club, mo ko see, mo chile. Dia me partner is men sisa emma obi. Because nkrofo bebre ayesa ade we. Asisi a sena omo awofo bringi omo up no. Omo asisa ma obi fufuro. Until now they are no more themselves. The person has created a different lifestyle for the boyfriend or the girlfriend. Now, on say relationship no. Anything can happen. Now ochna we jao. Oko. I feel who the new you no one kasa you can't recognize that subino because you have abandoned your real character, your real behavior for something that you are not, just to please somebody. I feel the nipanoko. Now you are lost. Inti wo mesiafo bebre, meyinfo bebre, aomo wo wiase. They don't know who they are. They are lost. because osama obi and then the person is no more there. And it's difficult to come back to the previous you if you don't get somebody to guide you, to help you. Inti mensisa for the sake of it, MOB. We are all unique. Ye special. Inti you cannot be somebody. Somebody cannot be you. Inti na relationship, marriage, abutre. Because nipa na wa ware no. Ono nso ni family no, ye training no differently. Onso family e training wo differently. Na mo share se mbetena till death do you part. Inti eye den conflict, misunderstanding, sanye mani beba. But the most important thing is eba kwan ben so na mo befa akasa afasa ade we na ma solve sa issue no amicably ewo odomo na maka say dia me ye no me sorry me ye pio we ene odo
odo damina oye Michael ka na sanum na ya hye now no coming Valentine or now no every true love needs something from in terms of relationship with both sex or what adobi a wala damazamazamani otum no kire or you should refuse all these things because if I promise that I will marry you ma kada mababoro you should ignore these things and debi akasika ntum mbra na damazamazamani etumajuma can all transfer this part of love showing love or is creating a lot of mess.
Me personally no me pese eya me chade a me nche niema ye ntanka wasem.
Okay.
Dia ye kan wasem ne ye wo betie wo baby fufuro.
Yeah.
Another person be ba beka. Now, mpede me mbo one or two things efa odo ho. Nkrofo bebre adwen most of the time enko ana say ni so. Ba kuno say enyo bia na obetumi a kire odo. Ese ye nti we ase. Enye se nipa no wa hyeda e na ompese obekire odo. Ye wo ebimo ho a me from damaged. They are damaged. Because ni family ana se bibi onyi wo no ni environment no enye. Ye wo obi wo ho a ni papa eya otai bu ni mame ojiya ni mame bu ni mame na most of the time no so papa no oyes anema we ewo akola no neni in front of the child.
Yeah.
Inti akola a ono so onyin osua suban osua niema ewo ni environment. Inti enye se ni papa eche ni se odo no yeye ni se ohwe ni papa ana ohwe ni mame se na ono oche odo eno ono wesua inti ochina onyi a okọ relationship mo ana so ware a what has he to show, what has she to show? Nothing. Ono nso the only me say odo bia bono men bono yiya no ye ni sei eno na e kire odo nti ye we bi mo ho a omo feel say me kunu embumia che say ondomi ana me boyfriend we embumia che say ondomi ana we wanye jealous about me che say ondomi sa niema we nyina eye because of niema osua growing up. Inti we bi mo a they are damaged. Inti sa nipa we ubeka say ebi mo ka say oh yakoye nima obesisa yakoye nima obesisa. Yes, obetumi asisa. Madwen hu ade from Nicola Bremo. Na wo hia no ebi a 2006. O person who use 2 months, 3 months. E de asisa obi so buy. There be. Enkoye the frustration ebe ma o wo relationship and I say o marriage mo afen so one thing is say nkrofo ensua sena omo ankasa ombedo omo ho me si so biom sua se na wankasa obedo because untumi endo bi se unnim se na wankasa obedo. You cannot give what you don't have. Inti before obedo bi fufro sua se na wankasa obedo and na friend self love. Valentine eba me sure say obi akoto perfume obi akoto something special ono o use obi da on to be man o poda but odi mo obi fufro. It is fine, but what I'm saying is don't wait till Valentine. Sometimes one kasa fa pie go and sit somewhere say malt and obeto ma one kasa one to cross one na no more malt. I mean, for yourself, do something
yourself.
For yourself. And train obi wa the whole year on pie ubisana me nyo bia o de mepi uni nine. You have legs, walk there, buy the thing, sit down. For yourself, learn to love yourself. Learn to appreciate yourself. Uwe jumem na why sometimes one uye juma o say ne ma boy juma. Learn to pamper yourself. Found pie kotena baby and celebrate yourself. What's your exams? Exams now, but what passing? Take yourself out, celebrate yourself. We always want to wait. Now obi fufro expressing love to us. We can also love ourselves. A bit more they don't think that they are beautiful.
Yeah.
Into obi kachane say ni huye fair or feels any pano yano. It's because you don't appreciate yourself. You don't love yourself. Into oko relationship na obi kan I love you nisa ne mana. Uhunu say e bibi sonko. Obi wo ho akọ relationship anasa aware mu na nipa ne ka say me meja wo a te say obesisa obeye dia nipa ne epe ma no because osuro. You understand? So learn to love yourself. I think so one thing we echo man me in 43. Yeah. Even though Mr. Afombi so kan dia meka say me ma obi endo Memma obi endo se wo nipa no onye ready se wo so obedo nipa no me assure say words we echo in the hearts and minds of people how motie se wo ye besia wo ye behin unimpa se onye ready ana se sa nipa we undo na me ye niema e de na adwen be koso se udo na ebia sisia ose wo pe a na wakaje o na me di agro na me so wo ahwe ana o na me gra me ndo wo. Meanwhile all the signal niema o yema no niema insema nkoma o de ne bo ni nyina kire say see. So if you are not ready men do be afen so ebi mo ho a wankasa wakosi obi pe wadi watu sisi a o kacha ni say o ni time o ejuma ni de onim say o de okọ ejuma o ba late onja o life ma o sa course sa ne ma no ompe unye ready for commitment unye ready for relationship dey nti na okọ even go for mo ye ejuma of fire service o mo time ma o mo yire no mo girlfriends nti even president of Ghana our time e ma ne wife ni ma so ejuma edane so na wo oh yeah excuse me ka say o boy e ka che say o need time o girl ka che say o need time no kunu anansa o yiri ka che say o need time any ondo because you make time for people you love, for people who matter in your life. In crofo a wo mpa mo asem no e na obeka say o need time nipa no o ka say o need time no o ko hwemu a odi obi fufuro e na ebo nkobo odi obi fufuro e na ye anajo ede e na wo a odi wo relationship no o say o need time e ma wo into time very important. I think so just be yourself. Send me kind of forget words there obi abetumi use Inti hwɛ nipa no ne actions. Most of the time, yɛnhwɛ nipa no ne suban. Obi wɔ kra or si wo pɛ no wakɔ read internet words or internet or the real. All kasa ne cramp no yɛsɛ ɛkyɛ sɛ deɛ ɔka no ɛnyɛ no korɛ. But wonhwɛ ne action. Wotie words no. Inti words ne pɛ na wobɛtie. But wohwɛ na wobɛhu sɛ ɔyɛ wo sɛ ɛkyɛ sɛ ɔde wo edi agorɔ kɛkɛ. Men do be only when it favors you. They say Saturdays. Nkrofo be better odo. Ene fiti ene ana this week na nkrofo best so mo suban. They say relationship no bibi obe ama o dey train Saturday. Vast day no dey train because onim say oye ni suban dada na Saturday unfi no. And I say Saturday we call before front chain. Inti relationship share ema bebre this week we will say relationship na yesonko. Your friend is seasonal love. Because of us they are eba. Inti share consistency. Me mo bi andada. Say wo girlfriend or no so was because on him say one sister unto hwe ma inti to see how can yes dear no nkabi. But this week dear or friend dear just say neni eda bibi so don't do seasonal love. Ebi mo ho we common. Da be na wo worry. Da be na wo be worry. Unim se wo nyi. Ana se wo worry wi a da be na wo be wo. Wo wi a na ba ko pe. Inti ye wo nkrofo bebre a o ma worry. Not because of love. Because of pressure. Omo awofo, omo adamfofo, omo community members e the mom. Inti pressure no the worry no. Enyo do nti. Inti eba na sa e the problems bebre e na beba. Relationship the same. Wadamfofo nyina wo relationship pressure inti. Na wo so we do wan ko share relationship. Enye se wo do nipa no. And also the confusion beba. Inti sa nema we nyina ye ha ye hu say the problem ba. But say ye adwin ko na we don't force people into certain things. Afen so there na wo market suban be na wo display a obi be hwe so e de adɔ. Inti wo wakoto etu obi wo a wa use foam or chef foam e wo ne to na ye kese. Obi nso wo ho a to kese ena ope no nso wa hwe so e de adɔ wa hwe so e de aware honeymoon mukodi odo a o mia na o mia phone ana say wo ro ho na wa ro phone no te say aware na egu because one what an intro and internet make say be yourself so to air flat to say media ni bia mo say flat no do and no you don't need to pretend anymore because o wrong ho a o yi wo ho a o ho too flat na onim dada enya afi na o be my excuses say on do light o mpe light o boa o pe light o mpe so be hu niam bi. So be yourself and let the person fall or be in love with who you are. And then love and infection. So do bia ebia wo on dem yareba wo infection wo do nipa na wo be ka kire no anopai obi frɛ sɛ oba your clinic on or a student in one of the tertiary institutions or see the boy ordinary for a year or didn't have sex just recently and a boy ni wie no and o ka kire no say ono e wo gonorrhea inti ono nko hospital no nko check chese o nimze o gonorrhea didn't na wan kan kire no but mo wie afi na wo ka kire no na enye se wa maga ni scan so se on fan test no gen say afi na ono all year savings kakra onye sika na wa ba hospital abe check up no inti udo bia on fa nipa no enko sa tibi ni mo udo bia onyin se no a onye ready udo bia on pia nipa no enko tibi mu a enye a ebeye unhealthy Emma Sanipano. Udo bia. Chese niema obeye character. Bibia obeye no. U make sure say. Sanima we nyina Emma nipano development. Emma nipa koninim. Emma nipano chese bibia around the person is going on well. Bibia developing around the person. And not share or do. But not say nipano sisia because of you or yare because of you or dakro to mean that adwindwia to no waye basa ni suma asesa we asesa won ho na wo fo kra ho na danfofo ho na omo say dey na ye wo wo yare ana enye yare because ni partner hanadwi
nkomare de so na adereso sisia aka be kuma ba be ya mahim do na nsam so dos ebi da ma se ebohwe da patu baba patu ama ebohwe mbre na nkrabe na obakire na efi etumi yakohene mi aje ma ke hembira so ha iboko nsam so pinye na etumi akechire nti in general what kind of advice you supposed to give us as mama hino as mama other the youth who are into relationship. You are saying that we reigned the system.
Yo, but I see. First of all, Saturday eba and fire plans.
Yeah.
Fire plans. Of course, so what show be your door and ya de bonnet. But the American say, ye careful.
Yeah.
Ye careful of near ma ye be. Because e be an own plan is a have sex. But your friend will say beji gift. Into also kwako gift. Gift need the obeji pepe. But to be to me another gift.
Yeah.
The ye can say when you're ready for certain things also you're very careful. I feel so say mobeye our zin crampoa bo uhumbai. Because e bia nipa na woko shano no won to me nche yarea e wo ni bidwe no. Ye wo ebimo wo ama to sa na monwe amwenya HIV. Omwenya infection ye ni cure. Chese mwana abani ni pedua no. It is for the rest of their lives. Obi nso be kwa nyinsen na okoma nipa ne beka say enyo no. Na afi de aka won kwa and you struggle. Just one day love. Inti yes jiweni but for a dream to ho eno bebo awo. Afi nso ye ka say vows day odo no enye for only obi a oni ni what relationship. Say ye kumu ankasa odo no ese ye mfa ma nkrofo a ehiomo nkrofo a chese ana normal circumstance ye nchromo odo obi e wo community hono e bia na wo for crampo ewu ana say tibia owo mu no obi anchire na odo. This is the time a sankrofo no e be chromo odo obi wo a old lady ni man nyina e bia mo tukwan ana say obi ani ne ho e bia ono crampo na why old lady no and old man no on no ko sanso. This is the time e bia won niska crampo ko sanso masa old lady no obe shraw eno e your odo ye kan odo a. These are the things we are talking about. Bibi you can afford, get it for the person. Don't show love to people that you think they can also do you the same favor. Show love to people and expect nothing in respect in return. O chen or do just for the sake of it. And no na ye nyina ye ma ye ho a e be kire say as human beings ye will be a friend or do. But not only showing to people with love only. You must show love to everybody around you, irrespective of your emotional connection with the person.
Okay, this is the last question. Now, can we cast our minds back? Because of the nature of your work, last year, Valentine's Day, did you see any negativity much around us? I was Central Region and I was Ghana. They may be too quada. No one boy a TB.
You near man meti, but because of Juma me no. Apart from their meeting, me who. Inti you Cape Coast, even to a large extent Central Region. It do Christmas, it do Afashe, it do Val's Day. These three key occasions. just after 2 weeks after no yenya results we say nkrofo mo to pregnancy test kits ekosro sesi aye ka say PPAG ya shorty condom oh fit last week na ya condom asa uba ukra 100 million kra unye bi because asa to ye no at least a good because nkrofo bebre ato e chese omo bebo omo ban but it's one thing say obeto and another thing say obe use we are bompaye so obe use e ba na sa mpewanyisen unintended pregnancy infection yehu after such occasions no eso be de beba form inti niema we na yeta ehu but obi ahwe ne wusu ye obi chili but odi adwen to ho a obi a chili no odi adwen to ho a eno nso bema sa niema we na akofo.
People use condom from PPAG as yeah papa, but I can't wait to more say but we have store ones also. But
yes,
because of the prices instead of here's a was
education.
Okay.
Condom ewo Ghana ha nyina ba kope.
Oh, okay.
Inti condom
different brand.
Material ye condom no. Your friend latex rubber.
Okay.
Latex rubber. Inti they are expensive. They are cheap. Ni nyina latex rubber. And idea.
Okay.
But they are obeton expensive no for marketing and branding purposes.
Oh, okay.
Inti ebi or the flavor atu akaho. Inti or charge you for flavor no, or charge you for color no, or charge you for packaging. Inti na cost no be cost no, but material no is the same.
Aha, na ezo dwedi nya be bi che pako bi abomo nombo under 1 minute na mahinu.
Oh, me chobia especially PPAG clients di omo di ejuma obia omo friend obi onim me me de grofo bebre me boa me wie nti we eko ma obia na the American say yen do for those who really need it, and that will make a big difference in their lives.
Sure, Ebada operating market TAGOE, Ebada as papa facility head PPAG Prime Parental Association of Ghana. Waba abwa actually nas the P ma super mukusia the bo P and san able dem pempesi. Nti always I feel happy when I meet him. Nti yen na yen chrodo mench the fake love in pagoda and dona man you are doing because you want to do certain things. Nti let's show the true love and it will help us. As an associate kubuto amada to safona babaka hinisa and it me free na a bit from PPAG the also the imbiri doma wotumobo mo fie ha onia ben na eje yemi sure da aba ayadi papa eje na don bia wotumo hwe hin no ahona wo send message on Facebook na yankopon show coordination o Costa TV esi yambo akina you will oya kakumudu live nti your mama's in there nyina ebeche hin from 6 a.m. to 12 noon kakumudu oya opposite the button oya Prague no na yen share so dey why the kakumudu maframa wontum na wonye wo so gas ntumunko. It's a big blow na nanimo to anamarapi so we live to see the kakumudu maframa wota okoy wo so gas ana nti ebohwe emre na nka bia na obeche Mezenezi OMAR bin ABDULLAH. Oya tumfa lepia. Abirfo besa yeshia. Ma ho yana bone tei, mo na sha, meje so nyima hirwa. Bye bye.